Take a deep breath and imagine for a moment, what if wealth wasn't something you had to chase, but something that was already chasing you? What if abundance was not a number in your bank account, but a frequency, a vibration that your soul could tune into even as you sleep? Tonight, as these 528 Hertz tones begin to flow through your energy field, your body, your mind, and your spirit will start to resonate with the frequency of wealth. The golden current of creation that draws prosperity toward you effortlessly, continuously, magnetically. You don't need to do anything. Just surrender and allow the vibration of wealth consciousness to rise within you. With every inhale, you open yourself to receiving. With every exhale, you release resistance, fear, and scarcity. You are now entering a field of pure, energetic abundance. The frequency where everything you've ever desired already exists. Waiting to align with your vibration. Feel it like a soft golden light beginning to glow from the center of your chest. This light is your connection to the 528 Hertz frequency, the vibration of love, repair, and creation. It is the code that reprograms your energy to attract what you truly deserve. As this light expands, see it moving through your entire body, through your heart, your mind, your hands, and into the space around you. Each breath, each tone is cleansing your energetic field, removing every pattern that once told you money is hard to earn or abundance isn't for me. Those old programs dissolve now, melted by this warm frequency of infinite potential. Now, imagine yourself standing under a waterfall of shimmering gold. The sound you hear, these 528 Hz waves, are transforming into streams of radiant wealth energy. Pouring down into your aura, soaking into every cell of your being. Every drop carries the vibration of expansion. And every breath you take aligns you with flow, with opportunity, with divine timing. See yourself surrounded by a golden current that keeps growing stronger. A magnetic field that effortlessly draws wealth, luck, ideas, and opportunities into your reality. You no longer have to chase abundance. You become it. You breathe it. You radiate it. As you sleep tonight, this frequency will continue to weave through your subconscious mind. Restructuring your energy from scarcity to sufficiency. From worry to flow. From survival to expansion. You will wake up lighter, clearer, and more open to receiving miracles that align perfectly with your path. Because the truth is, you were never meant to struggle. You were meant to vibrate wealth. Now you do. As this golden light settles gently into your aura, feel the universe noticing your shift. It's subtle, but real. The magnetic signal you're sending out has changed. From now on, wealth finds you in unexpected ways. Ideas flow effortlessly. The right people appear at the right time. Doors that once seemed closed begin to open with ease. And every time you return to this frequency, your energy remembers faster, deeper, stronger. So as you drift into peaceful sleep, know that something powerful has begun. A connection, a flow, a quiet awakening that will keep unfolding each time you return here. Because here, in this space, you are never just listening. You are aligning. You are tuning into a source that always gives more. Now, breathe softly, rest deeply, and let abundance find its way to you, again and again, without effort, without end.